Hello everyone and welcome to simiSTEM. In this video, you will see the Tumbling Tower Game. You can purchase this game at your local Dollar Tree. This game is very well constructed and sturdy. Why buy the original one named Jenga for about $7 to $23 when you can purchase this for $1? So enjoy!